So what's up guys, Praful here, welcome back, thanks for joining in. Today is the 14th of February. Today is the low day. So market ने low day नहीं लगाना चाहिए. So that's why the position size is very small and I couldn't give any update since morning. That's mainly because काफी risked off approach था, काफी laid back approach था मेरा. So I shorted like 3 rupee premiums right from the start. Never went on any higher sized premiums and even the approach was पहले प्रीमियम भी काफी लो था एंड ओवर ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट साइजिंग भी आधा है, आधा भी नहीं, आधा से भी कम है. इफ यू गाइस नोटिस लाइक माय साइज गोज अप टू लाइक 12,000 एवरी अकाउंट, मतलब 12,000 तक मेरा साइजिंग जाता है. बट टुडे द साइजिंग इज जस्ट 5,400, तो आधे से भी कम साइज में ट्रेड कर रहा हूँ. बट आई एम ऑलरेडी अप अराउंड लाइक 0.4% ऑन द कैपिटल. तो the idea is to just stay on this size and make some adjustments and probably add whenever I find any opportunities. But as of now, not getting any opportunities. जो भी moves आ रहा है, they are just like pure delta moves आ रहा है. There hasn't been any significant IV spike for me to IV spike भी नहीं आ रहा है, gamma spike भी नहीं आ रहा है for me to add on to the positions. So I'll wait for some gamma to pick up so that I can add in the direction of the trend. Along with the gamma थोड़ा size add करना try करूंगा. But if at all we see some reversal here, अगर इस swing को अगर breach करता है, then probably I'll make my position a little bearish because उस point of time पे I don't see any gamma happening. Most probably at that point it's just the theta that's gonna play out. So if I find any IV spike, I'll add the size, or else I have to keep managing the same position and probably collect this 10 points. So 10 points और भी आ जाता है, तो probably I'll end up with 0.7, 0.8% on the capital, so which is quite decent. So the idea was the FINNIFTY was pretty mum the whole day. Last day भी कल भी मतलब काफी mum था, and even Friday भी काफी अच्छा डीके मिला था FINNIFTY में, and today was also the markets have been like quite decent. ठीक है, like we see that these कैंडल्स वर काइंड ऑफ यहाँ पे एक फेक ब्रेकआउट दिया यहाँ पे, और नीचे भी एक फेक ब्रेकडाउन दिया. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट द प्रीमियम्स वर क्वाइट मेलोड डाउन. मतलब प्रीमियम्स इतना जंपिंग अराउंड कर नहीं रहे थे. आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग सम अमाउंट ऑफ डायरेक्शनल मूवमेंट एटलीस्ट वंस इन अ डे. बट yes, we saw some directional movement, but it was like a slow grinding आ रहा है, but ऐसे fast movement नहीं आ रहा है, which gives some IV spike for me to add the size or take some additional risk premiums wise. But nonetheless, I'm in a decent spot now, right? So even if I don't add position also, I'll be ending up with 0.8, 0.9% on the capital, which is quite decent. But if at all I find an opportunity here, I'll be adding on to the size. 18,500 looks like the likely expiry spot. Market इधर उधर भटकते भटकते, probably it can spike up to 18,550 and scare all the 18,550 call writers, and probably then 18,500 put writers को scare करके, then probably markets might end up somewhere around 18,500. So 18,500 at this point of time looks like a favorite expiry spot. So I would bet that expiry is going to happen somewhere between 18,520 and 18,480. And currently 18,500 straddle कितने पे ट्रेड कर रहा है? 18,500 straddle is trading with premium of around 57 rupees, 55, 56 rupees. So which gives a break even of 18,550 and 18,450. So which is a decent break even. So I don't mind taking this 18,500 straddle at this point of time, but of course not with the full quantity. देखेंगे. As of now, pretty mellowed down markets, no spikes in both the directions. So I'll just wait for some directionality to play out or some IV spikes to play out. तब मैं कुछ करूंगा, or else this will be the position. I'll try to capitalize on this as much as I can. Alright guys, very quick update. The time is 2:47, 13 minutes to averaging, and I got the opportunity during this breakout. जब market ने ये breakout दे दिया, then the calls started blowing up quite a bit. So I added both the size as well as I added the risk from the premium front. So currently now the position is the strangle of 550 and 650 along with the 600 straddle. तो 600 straddle पे आधा quantity है, but maximum quantity 550 and 650 strangle पे है. The mark to market is around 1.1 lakhs, almost close to 1% के आसपास बन गया है. The idea is to trail this straddle. तो already straddle अच्छे से दे दिया है because last 5-10-15 मिनट में यहाँ पे halt हुआ है, because of which the straddle has given quite a bit. So it has around 30 points in it. तो दोनों का stop loss around 30 points रहेगा. So whichever 30 points hit, अगर 30 point hit हो जाता है, then probably I'll cut the position and I'll sit on the other strike. So that would be approach. and as the market is coming down, the calls are cooling much faster than the puts are appreciating. So I have the stop loss on 24 के आसपास रहेगा. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, time is 3:15, 15 minutes past averaging. So this is called the proper pinning of the market. मतलब एक जगह पे market pin हो गया, तो exact 18,600 पे expire होने वाला है. When the markets were here, so it looked like the markets can pin somewhere around 18,500 levels, but जैसे ये breakout हो गया, it was kind of clear कि market will pin somewhere around 550 levels. बट जब ये ब्रेकआउट हो गया एंड 3 o'clock के आसपास ही 600 के पास आ गया, देन आई वाज क्वाइट कॉन्फिडेंट कि लाइक मार्केट विल समवेयर पिन अराउंड 600 लेवल्स, एंड दैट टू व्हेन ये फर्स्ट ये जो अप मूव आया, व्हेन दिस जस्ट अ मिनट गाइस, so when this up move came and then the rejection came, this was the indication that market will expire somewhere 600 के नीचे एक्सपायर होगा या 600 के आसपास एक्सपायर होगा. So that's why I shorted the 18,600 straddles. Of course, like I could not hold on to them for a long time, but okay, I was able to manage quite a decent amount from that straddle. मतलब पूरा सबका सब पैसे तो घर लेके नहीं जा सकते, but I was quite happy with how the things went. So the mark to market is somewhere around 2.18 lakhs. So around 1.9% funds used are somewhere around 1.1 CR, and around 1.9% होने वाला है, and I think all these options will invariably expire worthless, so no problem there. So the idea is just to let these options expire. तो सारे एकदम premiums पूरा decay हो रहा है, तो the puts are also decaying, the calls are also decaying, and even nothing left for me to do here. So I'll just hold on to these options and see where the market ends. So around 2.2 lakhs for the day. The market, just to give the summary about the markets, the market was pretty mum with small time frame spikes थे. Like for example, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि sudden एक up move वाला candle and followed by immediate reversal, sudden up move वाला candle followed by immediate reversals. So there was a decent amount of whipsaw in the market, but if you are far OTM, these whipsaws wouldn't have hurt you. And also मेरा dynamic position size जो मैं deploy कर रहा हूँ, so that is working out quite well in the last 5-6 expiries. So I'm planning to continue it because because lot many people are coming to play the expiries. थोड़ा मतलब हमको हमारा approach को थोड़ा बहुत change करना पड़ेगा, and that's what I've been doing. And yeah, that's about it guys. तो अभी currently like markets look like they might head higher, but यहाँ पे इसको भी मैं 0.8-0.9 rupees पे stop loss लगा देता हूँ, but most probably both these options should expire worthless. So around 2.2 lakhs for the day, and I hope you guys also had a decent expiry. तो बताओ comments में कैसे हुआ. And weekend पे मैंने वीडियो रिकॉर्ड किया है but अपलोड नहीं कर पाया because I was traveling, and I'll post the video immediately. So see you guys, have a good day. I'll catch up in my next live trading video. Bye bye.